morning, class. Now, Mr. Up here is off sick, so you're going to have a new teacher today. Her name is Miss Kingston, and I want you all to be on your best behavior.
Yes, Mrs. Johnson.
Okay, shut your mouth, shut your mouth, shut your thinking. My name is Miss Kingston. Can anybody spell Kingston? You.
K-A...
Wrong! Did your father teach how to spell? Or did he just teach how to fuck up woman's life? Sorry about my language. The correct spelling for Kingston is K as in mess with me, I will kill you. I don't need no good for nothing shit of a karate, white jumping, run up with a slut, ugly man. Today, you're going to teach about life. Yes, you beautiful future Prime Minister.
My mummy said that we should love life.
And I say, life is like a birthday. Then a man comes along and just shits in your kitchen. Sorry about my language. Don't return that way. But if you do, I will fuck you up.
May I have a plaster?
In Jamaica, we only use plaster for three things. One, as sellotape. Two, as a silencer. And three, as contraception.
Yes.
Shut your mouth before me thump you in your blood. It's now time for you to learn the nursery rhyme. Together now. Baba, la, ma, you caught them all off. Shut your mouth, shut your breath, shut your stinking beak. Because you're sharp, that means you're close to the ground, which means you're close to my foot. So let you walk, feel my foot, come on, my blood clot, clot.